Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I created this look right here. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you guys can see what videos I post. And also I'm going to be doing a new thing where I shout 2 people, well let's do 3 people out that have a YouTube channel and they want to get some kind of exposure. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do it, but basically I'm gonna shout out people. So when you comment below, I'm gonna just randomly choose and shout you out. Follow me on Instagram and all my social medias. I'll put them right here. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like and comment below. Of course, subscribe. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being you and being amazing. And let's get into the video. Okay guys, so today I'm doing the bald cap method. I am trying to perfect this method because I don't use it all the time, but basically what I do is I poke a hole in each ear and then I just stretch out the stocking cap until my ear pokes out, and I do the same on the other ear. And then when I'm done with that, I spray my edges with the freeze spray and of course cut the stocking cap. Now I've heard that using too much freeze spray isn't good because it has so much alcohol in it and it can be bad for your edges. But for me, I don't really do the stocking cap method that much unless I want to keep my wig on for like 2 weeks or a whole week. So what I'm doing now is I'm just kind of cutting it and trying to get like the perfect spot that I want to cut the stocking cap off to where my edges ain't gonna rip off. When I'm done cutting the stocking cap off, I put my Isha glue. I really love this glue. It's really safe for your edges and I've actually done a review on it, so check it out. I might put the link in the description box below. And when the glue dries out, then of course I put my makeup to blend my stocking cap with my skin complexion. I recommend using makeup that's a bit darker than your skin tone so that way you can get like that perfect scalp effect. I've done so many install videos, but as you can see, I just perfectly placed the wig right where I placed the glue so that way it lays nice and flat. And I also recommend don't lift the glue once you've placed it because that's how it starts looking white and you don't want that. But if it does end up looking white, the easiest way to solve that problem is to spray it with some freeze spray, which you're gonna see in the next clip. I'm gonna spray the hair with some freeze spray and you're gonna see how it melts. It's gonna give it like that melted effect. Okay, so you see how it looks like before we put the freeze spray, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like after so you can see the difference. Now look at the difference. It looks more melted. You can barely see white glue. So definitely recommend spraying freeze spray on top of the lace after you've glued your wig down. So now what I'm doing is I'm parting my hair to create the half up, half down look. It doesn't have to be super perfect, but just try to get it as precise as possible. Okay, so I got the hair that I'm gonna put up, and honestly this hair was really nice, but I didn't like how it wasn't super full. It was full, but it wasn't like like full enough to the point where like with my frontals that I make, like how I be real full. So with the amount of hair that I'm putting up, it's like it looks like a thin little piece of hair that I'm putting up because the wig wasn't super full, but it was still good enough, especially for people that don't know how to make their own wigs. So what I'm doing is laying my baby hairs. I've done so many videos on how I lay my baby hairs. I don't like to do too much with laying baby hairs because it's just gonna look too much. So I just put like a little piece and swoop it, and then I swoop the sideburns so that way it just looks put together and natural, but not too much. And of course, wrap your baby hair. I got this little wrap from the beauty supply store. You can get it from Sally's or any beauty supply stores by your house. After your hair dries, of course, remove the wrap, and now we are going to blend. So I use makeup to blend. Like I said, just use any dark toned makeup to blend it perfectly so it doesn't look white around your edges. I would say use a shade darker or 2 shades darker than your skin complexion. And now, as you can see, it's like nice and blended and perfect. So that's why I'm doing a little thumbs up. This little wax stick is what I'm going to use to lay the hair perfect. Any flyaways that may be on the hair, which this hair really didn't have flyaways. But just to get it nice and sleek, I just used the wax stick. And now I'm using the hot comb to get it even more sleek and perfect. If you see wind, that is my fan blowing, so ignore that. But yeah, I'm just using the hot comb to get it real sleek. If you don't have a hot comb, I recommend you invest in one because it will really make it a lot easier to get your hair laid flat when you're styling your hair. Okay, once I'm satisfied with how sleek I want it, I tie my hair up and move on to the next step. Also, for me, when I tie my hair up, I don't like when the little hairband is showing. So I just take a piece of hair and I wrap it around so that way it looks more like put together. And we're going to just spray it with the free spray so that it's nice and shiny and stays in that spot that we wrapped it up in. Like, you see how tiny that piece of hair is? That's what I was talking about. But it's okay. We gonna work with it. So now I'm using the hot comb to get the hair flat and sleek because we about to curl the hair. We about to curl it. And you know, that's the fun part. Yay. No. I freaking hate curling my hair. It takes forever, but the end result is always nice. So it's worth it in the end. So this hair curling tool that I'm using, I'm going to be doing a review on it soon, but it was really like perfect. Like, it made it so easy for me to curl my hair. And when I curl my hair, I hold it underneath and kind of cool it off with my hands so that way the curl can last longer. But I'll be doing a tutorial on how I curl my hair soon. I'll probably post it around the same time as I'm posting this video, so you guys will get that video soon. We are on the last few pieces of the curling process, and then we are done. We are done, sweetie. Then we gonna beat this face. I look a little crazy, but we gonna slay this face, and we gonna show you the end product. And that's on period. That's on what? That's on period. I don't know what I'm talking about, but let's just watch the video, okay? Okay, so we done curling the hair. So now you gonna see my face be on the next clip, and I'm gonna talk about the hair a little bit, so stay tuned for that. Do not click off yet. It's still more to come. It's more to come, so don't click off, y'all. Keep watching. So this is the final look, half up, half down. This is my first time doing this, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. So, you know, I really like it. It's like loose curls. This is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, and so far I am obsessed. I usually like making my own wigs and customizing it and everything, but this is by far one of the best like pre-made wigs ever. As you can see, the parting space is really long and far back, so you can really do a lot with this hair. And it's 180% density. So this is how the bottom looks. The curls are cute and flowy. The hair is really flowy. I really am obsessed with this hair. I absolutely love it. It's a yes for Beauty Forever's pre-made wigs, and the density is really beautiful. You get like a really full effect still, but of course if you want to make it more full, you can buy some bundles and sew in more tracks. But I'm just trying to give you the most authentic review about what I think about the hair initially. I might do an update, but yeah, I plucked the wig while it was on my head and before I put it on my head, so I think it was not really pre-plucked. It was not really pre-plucked, so I plucked it, and then I plucked it a little bit more to make it look more natural while I had it on my head. And it has no flyaways, as you can see, and it's really soft, and it's really beautiful. So I love Beauty Forever's hair. If I missed anything or if you have any questions, oh, tangling, no tangling yet, still super soft. I've been wearing this hair for, I want to say I've had it for like a month now, so yeah, no tangling yet, and no frizzing, so it doesn't frizz. The quality of this hair is like really dope. So I love their hair. Everything you need to know about this hair will be in the description box below. It'll give you a direct link to purchasing this wig. This is their HD lace. I'll also probably put the price right here so you guys can get an idea of how much this wig costs. Oh, and the inches, I think it's 24 inches, but I did layer it a little bit and cut it a little bit. So yeah, and I'm 5'4". I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.